And now I teach you how to replace the print head. First, you can see here there is a part. You take it out a little. This part. Take it out a little. And then you can unlock it. Unlock this part. And then take out this plug of UV cable, UV LED. Take out all these 6-piece cartridge, and there are 3 screws inside. You just rescrew these 3-piece screws, and you can take out the print head at the bottom. Then you replace the new print head and connect with this cable into the print head. It will be okay.